Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Set 2 speed sound session for today. The sound we are going to look at today is the sound oi. 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 Good. And if I think of some words that have got our oi sounds in, I can think of oi, enjoy. I can think of oi, boy. And what else can I think of? Oi, joy. Good. Right, shall we have a look at the rhyme that makes up our sound then? Oh, look, you can see here that there's a boy and he's got a brand new robot there. He's got a brand new toy. So our rhyme for our oi sound is toy for a boy. Toy for a boy. Toy for a boy. Good, super. Now, can you think in your head what two letters make up our oi sound? What is it? Let's have a look. It's an O and a Y. Two letters, one sound. And when we see these two letters together in a word, they make the special friend sound oi. 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 Super. So this side was oi, and this side was toy for a boy. Right, let's see if I can catch you out. Off we go. Did I catch you out? Oh, I hope so. Right, I'm going to put our oi sounds into our pack of sounds we should already know. And if you spot it in there, I want you to point at the screen and shout oi. Are you ready? Ready? First one is oi. I thought it wasn't going to come then. Right, going to put it back into our pack of cards. First sound is oi. Brilliant. Right, one more go. Can you find it this time? Don't forget to point and shout at the screen. Oi. First one. Oi. Super, well done. Right, I'm going to put our sounds down now. We're going to have a look at some of our words that have got our oi sounds in. So, we've only got a couple in here. This is going to be nice and easy. Right, so because there's only a couple, I'm just going to not have my turn. I'm going to let you have your turn. So remember, special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, enjoy. Good. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word, joy. Brilliant. Right, can you do Fred in your head this time? So, Fred in your head, ready? Enjoy. Fred in your head. Joy. Super. Right, this should be easy. Some speedy reading of our oi sound. First one is joy. Your turn. Super. Right, I'm going to pop a couple of our words in from yesterday and let's see if you can remember them. Ready? So, first one is enjoy. Your turn. Dirt. Girl. Joy. Whirl. Super, well done. Right, we have got quite a few alien words though for our oi sound, so that's good. So let's pop our aliens on. Ready? Super, right, remember, special friends, Fred Talk, read the words. My turn first. Special friends, oi, Fred Talk, oi. Read the word croy. Your turn. Ready? Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word foy. Brilliant. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word skoy. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word spoy. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word stoy. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word bloy. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word croy. Super reading of your aliens. Well done. Right, let's take them off, shall we? Brilliant. Okay, let's have a go at our spelling. So, can you please get whatever it is you normally do your spellings on? And hide your Fred fingers from me, please. How many sounds are in the word joy? Show me how many. 2. Right, good. Let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. 1, 2, 3. J, oi. J, oi. Right, shall we have a go at that one together? So for joy, the first sound is J. J. Make sure you've got it going the right way round. And then your last sound is oi. So an O and a Y. 2 letters, 1 sound. So tick for J, tick for oi. Well done. Right, hide your Fred fingers for our second word then. How many sounds are in the word enjoy? Show me how many. 4. Good. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. E, n, j, oi. E, n, j, oi. Right, so you're ready to give it a go at spelling. Enjoy. First sound, E. Then we've got a n, j, and then it's our oi sound, isn't it? O and a Y. 2 letters, 1 sound. Tick for E, tick for n, tick for j, and tick for oi. Well done, super. Right. Now we're going to do 2 of our review words. Do you remember? Those are words that haven't got our oi sound in. They've got our sound in from yesterday. So hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word dirt? Show me how many. 3. Good. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. D, ts. D, ts. Right, let's have a go at spelling the word dirt. Ready? First sound in the word dirt is a D. Then we've got a special friend. Do you remember from yesterday, the 2 letters in our special friend were an I and an R. Whirl and twirl. And our last sound in dirt is a T. Brilliant. So tick for D, tick for and a tick for T. If it doesn't look quite like mine, then you can just fix it so that it does. And make sure your D is round the right way. D, 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 dinosaur. Round his body, up his tall neck, and down to his feet. Super. Right, last word of the day. Hide your Fred fingers from me, please. I'm going to try a tricky one. How many sounds are in the word whirl? Well, how many? Show me. 3 should be holding up. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. 1, 2, 3. Wah, ul. Write it down. I'll give you a clue. There's a silent letter in this one. It makes a special friend at the beginning. Wah, ul. If you need to pause the video, pause it to have a think, and then replay it so we can do the spelling together. Right, are you ready? So, for whirl, first sound is w, but it's actually a special friend. It's a w and a h together. Special friend w. And then we've got our sound, I and an r. And the last sound in whirl is a ul. So, tick for w, tick for and a tick for ul. Well done. Right, superstars today. Let's see, what can we do to celebrate because we've done such a good job at our speed sounds. And we've only got one more set 2 sound to learn, which is really exciting. So I think for that reason, we should give ourselves a tremendous. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Tremendous. Super. Right. Log on to Oxford Owl now and find the book that's right for you and have your read of that. And I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for more speed sounds. Bye.